Hey guys, we are back with another episode today, and today we're going to talk about components. Components are a vital part of any air barrier assembly. In the Dörken systems, we have developed components that work with all of our membranes, starting with Delta Multiband. It's a polyethylene film, carrier film, with an acrylic adhesive with reinforced grip. It sticks extremely well to pretty much anything that you will find on the job site. We use it around detailing windows and sealing overlaps in the membrane, like in Delta Vent S or Delta Vent SA, where we don't have the adhesive to adhesive overlap. Another fantastic component is Delta Flex Band, and this tape, it is really amazing. So this is a butyl type of an adhesive on it, but the tape is stretchable, so you can shape it to whatever shape you have, pipe penetrations, window corners, stuff like that. You can detail it with this tape, and the tape doesn't have any memory to it. So once you detail it, then you can, work the membrane in with the butt of your knife, push it in, you're not going to damage it, and you can shape to whatever you're going to have on the job site. So this is actually for a project out in California, where this is supposed to represent an I-beam and how to detail it. So this was done with this Delta Flex Band. And just you work it in with the butt of the knife to push it into the locations that you want it to make it nice and tight. And as you can see, the product will remain as you have left it. Just roll it and you're done. Another easy component to use that we have is our Delta Fast Corner. So this is for the location where you're going to have sill to jam connection. You place this on the sill, and as you can see, this is now airtight. And watertight once you obviously detail it with the rest of the tapes. Another component that we use for windowsills is our Delta Flashing. Delta Flashing is a polypropylene carrier film with a butyl adhesive. Again, we use that on our window sills. Reason for this, if there is any leak on the window, we don't want water to be getting into the window sill. And one of the other products that we have is Delta Tilex, which is a sealant that we also can use around pipe penetrations prior to the installation of the Delta Flex Band. Very easy to use, comes in tubes, 310 millimeters. All those details and all those components that I just talked to you about can be found in our installation guides that we have developed. And we have all those details showing you step by step how to detail whatever penetrations or whatever you may encounter on a job site. Those are available for download, or you can order a hard copy if you want. And again, remember, you can contact us, reach us, contact your local rep. We'll be more than happy to talk to you if you have any questions or you have any concerns, or you want to just find out more about our products. We are available to talk to you and give you all the information that you may need. Thank you very much. Take care.